We all will be a story in somebody's head, but wouldn't you rather be the whole book quietly? She said. Why do you charge so much? And I said, how does my nationality decide what I'm supposed to charge? Yes, I was scared going on that flight. There was no way to keep track. I didn't know कि कौन आ रहा था मुझे लेने. I didn't know what kind of people they would be. But I always say कि why can't I be all? पहले होता था कि Jack in the box versus master of one. If you have fear, that means your faith is not strong enough.
Welcome, Pooja. I'm glad I'm hosting you today and got to meet you virtually through Mr. Vivek Atre, the last podcast I did with him. And so kind of him that he introduced me to you. And I'm glad for this conversation today because I know ये बहुत ही interesting होने वाली है. आपकी journey मैंने देखी है. I have researched, when I was researching, more and more layers खुल रही थी आपके बारे में. Be it your LinkedIn, be it your Instagram, हर जगह से like some elements I was picking on and for the podcast जो आपने करे हैं. So with that, पहली चीज जो मुझे आपसे I wanna talk through about आपने अभी तक बहुत सारे podcast करे हैं, but if I have to give you understand some depth, कितने आप करते हो like in a year or how many you have done so far and इस episode से आप क्या कुछ अलग expect कर रहे हो?
I know Vivek, at some point you will be watching this, so thank you for connecting Shelly and me. I love being here. Shelly's been really, really gracious, sharing a lot of information about her and the podcast. Shelly, आपकी question को answer करने के लिए, I have lost count, honestly. I've never been one of documenting my journey. सारे बोलते करना चाहिए, एक जगह रखो सब कुछ. But for me, the fun of it is not to sit and document and make a list of achievements, it's to just be in the flow. And her podcast में, the second part of your question में क्या लेती हूँ, I think that it's the host that, the questions that they ask that bring out different facets of who I am. And I strongly believe, especially in India as women, I started at 44 and I feel that हमें सारे try करते हैं एक box में fit करने के लिए. If I am a coach, I am a coach. If I am a mother, I am a mother. If I am a designer, I am a designer. But I always say कि why can't I be all? पहले होता था कि Jack in the box versus master of one. But somewhere I think that जैसे everything is evolving so fast, why do you have to put yourself in a box and say I am this? You can be this plus another 10 things, right? There are different parts of your personality. एक small inference आपको देती हूँ. When we talk of friendship, now hear me out, this is very interesting. हम बोलते हैं, we can't have everything in one person, right? We have a gym friend. We have a friend that maybe goes with us to the salon. We have our core group of 4-5 friends जिनको हम बहुत ज़्यादा मिलते हैं. Then we have that one friend or two friends रात के 3 बजे भी फ़ोन करो वो आ सकते हैं. Then we have social friends. तो जब फ्रेंडशिप इतने सारे एरियाज में हो सकते हैं, हम एक तो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि एक ही इंसान में सब कुछ होना चाहिए, बट व्हाई? यू कैन डू सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स. व्हाई डू यू नीड टू पुट योरसेल्फ इनटू अ सोसाइटल नॉर्म ऑफ हाय, आई एम पूजा, आई एम एन इंजीनियर. Okay, but I am also Pooja. I am also an artist. I am still Pooja. I love playing basketball. I am still Pooja. I love being a mom. I mean, I'm still the same person. It's just depending on mood. That's who we are. And I think that is something very interesting because you're a lady too. And I know you will relate to me कि आप कपड़े देख लो. कभी मन करता है तो साड़ी पहनते हैं, कभी मन करता है तो शॉर्ट्स पहनते हैं. तो अगर किसी ने हमें बोला होता कि नहीं आप सिर्फ साड़ी पहन सकते हो और कुछ नहीं, what would that make us, right? So those are things that I really think deep, which is why जब मैं बोलती हूँ कि I am a content strategist, is because content really makes me think, and I love writing content for social, for people, because there's so much of depth in what you can do जो कि आता नहीं है.
नहीं, ये बहुत आपने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात बोली है. Why to box oneself in one thing when one person can play different roles in a life? Why can't they play different roles in their career? तो बहुत ही बहुत ही एक ऐसी अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो लोगों में होनी चाहिए, बट वो सोचते कि नहीं एक करो and be a master of one. Why? So I learned about you. You're a Welham girl, and 10th May you decided to move to Rotary International Exchange Program in Iowa. तो उस टाइम क्या माइंडसेट था आपका कि आपने डिसाइड करा कि ठीक है इसको करते हैं, एंड यू वर ऑफ कोर्स आप अपने आप से गए होंगे प्लेन में, एंड 1995 की बात है, अपने आप अकेले प्लेन में जाना. क्या थॉट प्रोसेस चल रहा था? फोन्स भी नहीं थे उस टाइम पे, राइट? तो क्या थॉट प्रोसेस था उस टाइम पे जो मन में चल रहा था कि ओ माय गॉड हाउ विल आई बी देयर, मैं वहाँ पे कैसे मैनेज करूंगी, स्टफ लाइक दैट, लाइक टेल अ बिट.
Shali, I've always, all my life, been a very adventurous person. I've never been like scared, ever. I've never been that person. And I'll tell you why. It's because my faith is so strong that I feel कि जब आपका faith strong होता है ना, you don't need to fear anything in life. जैसे हम इंडिया में हम बहुत बोलते हैं ना कि भगवान से डरो, God fearing, this so called word हम बोलते हैं ना God fearing. And मैं बचपन से ही मैं हमेशा बोलती थी कि God fearing क्या होता है. अगर आपको God पे विश्वास है तो fear, what is the fear? तो if you have fear, that means your faith is not strong enough. And I realize now when I look back that at that point of time ये एक opportunity आई थी and my parents just said, do you want to do it? Very open-minded, though we are Marwadis. And I said, yes, I do. I didn't know how. I didn't know what would happen. Yes, I was scared going on that flight. There was no way to keep track. I didn't know कि कौन आ रहा था मुझे लेने. I didn't know what kind of people they would be. We just inherently assume ना कि लोग अच्छे नहीं होते हैं. We just always look for the negative before the positive. Like for example, बच्चा अगर घर लेट आता है पार्टी से, what is the first thing a mother will say? Oh my God, कुछ हो तो नहीं गया. But why? Why can't I just say that it's okay, she's having fun, she'll call me, you know? That is a mindset shift, and I have been brought up in a place which was like that. They never ever went for the negative. It was always like, she must be busy doing something, she'll call me back, which is how I've raised my two daughters. So when I went that time, yes, I was scared a little bit because obviously it's natural. You're going abroad for the first time alone with 6-7 other children, Frankfurt to Chicago, अकेले जा रहे हो, कौन आ रहा है लेने? But ये Rotary International का ये जो organization है is so good and so powerful that initially 2 or 3 मतलब hours के अंदर I felt like I was home. My year in Storm Lake, Shelly, was by far one of the bestest years of my life, and I'll say that everything सब कुछ set apart, that was the year that defined me. You asked me about what is that one thing that I still take from that one year today. The one thing that I still take today is the inherent fact that it's human to human. People are really good. Cultures are meant to be explored. Travel does open up your heart and soul. आप बोल सकते हो कि you know I am the king of my castle or whatever, but कुएं के मेंढक बनने के लिए we were not born in this world. We have to step out. We have to try. And when people turn around and tell me even today कि but you know वो होना चाहिए कि you're satisfied, and I said be satisfied in what you're doing, but that doesn't mean the hunger should die. Like at that point of time, I could have been satisfied being in Vellum. I really didn't want to leave it. I loved my school. I loved being there. I was a district level athlete. I was doing very well. I had the bestest of friends. My teachers loved me. I owe everything of mine today to that school. But this was an opportunity, and that's something the school taught me, that when you see an opportunity, you go for it. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि I am that person कि आप एक जैसे हम स्काई डाइविंग की बात करते हैं, I will just go and do it. I will not even think कि पैराशूट खुलेगा कि नहीं, देखा जाएगा, figure out हो जाएगा, कूदो तो सही. I am that person even today. Like I'm very, very impulsive, and I feel that we have one life. If we are not going to live it and keep wondering about ये होना चाहिए, करना चाहिए, लोग क्या कहेंगे, हम इसी में रह जाएंगे. So why?
नहीं, that ये बहुत ही ना मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है ये बात कि हर मोमेंट को जीना चाहिए.
Yes.
जिंदगी है, हर एक्सपीरियंस लेना चाहिए, दुनिया घूमनी चाहिए, बिकॉज ट्रैवल बहुत कुछ सिखाता है. जो भी आपने बोला, travel make you learn not only about people but also about yourself in length and breadth totally. So one should always do it. So about this program, is it's still valid or it's not anymore valid?
I don't think it's still on. I'm not too sure. Or maybe it is on, but not in the way it was at that point of time. Because nowadays इतने सारे दूसरे स्कूल के थ्रू भी programs होते हैं and all that. उस टाइम ये सब नहीं था. The Rotary International was the only program, international exchange, which was safe and legit. I'm not sure if it's still on today. I mean, I think it is actually, because my dad did ask me for my daughter, but we didn't send her, so yeah.
Okay, आपने क्यों नहीं भेजा?
Because she was in school here na, and then she wanted to go. जैसे अब now she wants to go out for college. I said college भी बाहर, फिर अभी भी बाहर, तो थोड़े टाइम घर पे रह लो, उसके बाद चले जाना.
सही है. So it's like exchange program, जैसे आप बता रहे थे कि like आप किसी और कंट्री जाओगे, then किसी और कंट्री के लोग आपके यहाँ आएंगे.
हाँ, पर ये नेसेसरी नहीं है कि मैं अगर आपके कंट्री में गई तो आपके कंट्री से ही कोई मेरे पास आएगा. Like I went to America, but once a girl from France came to me and once a girl from Brazil came. जब मेरी बहन गई थी. And the best part, Shelly, the best part is that I am still in touch with them. My host parents जिनके साथ मैं रही थी are not there. They've passed. But I'm still in touch with their family. जब मैं जाती हूँ अमेरिका, I still talk to them. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, we are still in touch. So for me, it's that extended family, you know, that, oh God, I know people in this little small town of America where I spent perhaps what will be the most defining year of my life. I'm quite sure, I say it even today, I'm quite sure I'll say it, you know, even maybe 10 years later. I don't know, but at that point of time, given the circumstance, मुझे लगता है कि that was something that was very, very precious to me. And it happened at the time that it should have.
एंड आपके घर पे जो आए थे एंड बिकॉज दे केम टू इंडियन फैमिली एंड हम फिर भी थोड़ा सा इंडियंस थोड़े से वेस्टर्न कल्चर से अलाइंड होते हैं, लाइक हमें पता होता है क्या होता है थोड़ा बहुत वहाँ पे, थोड़ा खाना भी हमारे कल्चर में आ ही गया है, लाइक यू नो. बट जो फ्रांस से आए थे एंड दे आर नॉट वेरी मच अवेयर अबाउट इंडियन कल्चर, जो ब्राजील से आए थे, व्हाट वाज देयर रिएक्शन टू इट एंड हाउ दे अडैप्टेड योर फैमिली, हाउ वाज इट एंड हाउ वाज योर
You
पेरेंट्स?
leave their reaction. The fun part is that they became fans of Govinda. And she literally bought white shoes and went, and even today she dances on Govinda. जबकि Govinda आज है भी नहीं in movies, but at that time in the 90s, Govinda was so huge.
Yeah.
And she used to love his songs. And even today when we talk from Brazil or from France, they're like, how is Govinda? I said, Govinda is fine. But we just connect. She calls me her sister. She'll be in touch with me because again, social media has made the world so much closer now. So we're all connected, reconnected again.
वाओ, ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट है. आई वॉज नेवर अवेयर अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम एंड थ्रू दिस पॉडकास्ट आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम एंड आई एम श्योर कि आपका बहुत ही एनरिचिंग लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा होगा थ्रू दैट. एंड
Thanks.
ऑनेस्टली एक चीज़ बताओ, 1 year घर को कितना मिस किया आपने, किया या नहीं किया?
I think I did initially, but again, I make friends very easily. So I think in a month's time, actually, this boarding school thing, na Shelly, it gets you ready.
You're ready, yeah.
Yeah, like I just learned to adapt and move on. So I managed it fine.
So आपके घर में हमेशा से लाइक बोर्डिंग स्कूल कल्चर रहा है, लाइक योर पेरेंट्स आल्सो वेंट टू बोर्डिंग स्कूल?
Yeah, my mom also went, my dad went, then I went, then my sisters went. अब मेरी शादी भी हुई है boarding school के ex डॉस्को से. उनके family में भी all his sisters and brothers also went to school. So it's been a boarding school kind of.
And your daughters are also went to
They were both also, yeah. They both passed out of boarding. They were in Vellum only. They both passed out.
Oh, nice. So, मतलब what is that one thing that your family is so love about boarding school? Because parents क्या होते हैं, वो चाहते ही नहीं अपने बच्चों को दूर भेजना. Like मेरी cousin है, उन्होंने अपने बेटे को गुरुकुल में भेजा था, not exactly a boarding but a गुरुकुल, because he was so naughty. तो उनको ये था कि मुझे डिसिप्लिन सिखाना है इसको, let me send him to शायद नैनीताल साइड कोई था, पंचकुला, I'm not able to recall the गुरुकुल, and she sent him there and कुछ साल के बाद वो रिकग्नाइज करना मुझे मुश्किल होता, बिकॉज ही वाज सच अ नॉटी ब्रैट एंड ही वाज सच अ डिसिप्लिन्ड गाय. तो आपकी फैमिली में लाइक व्हाट वाज द रीजन दैट दे ऑलवेज सेंड चिल्ड्रन टू बोर्डिंग स्कूल?
Only for the sheer you get an all-round development, extracurricular sports, games. See, आज के ज़माने में you can say कि शायद ज़रूरत नहीं है because world school सब जगह है. उस टाइम नहीं था. उस टाइम इतने opportunity, like I played basketball, I played javelin, I went for hockey, I went for long distance, I danced, I sang, I learned the piano. I couldn't do all of that in Bombay क्योंकि हम स्कूल खत्म करते घर आते उसके बाद क्या एक कोई स्पॉट पे चले जाओ वापस आ जाओ. बट हॉकी, बास्केटबॉल, स्विमिंग ये सब नहीं, you can't do it all. But boarding school में I could do it all and I did. I could do everything and I could shine through. But that to get that all round development is why we were sent, and I swear by it. Like it's something that was required. Today, do I need it or not? Probably not, because world schools are there and they give you equally everything. आप सुबह जाते हो, आप शाम को आते हो. In a way, I prefer this system because you get the best of both worlds. आपको स्कूल का एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स का भी मिलता है और आप शाम को घर भी आते हो, सो यू फैमिली कनेक्शन इज आल्सो देयर.
एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे आप किस फील्ड में रहे, लाइक बास्केटबॉल, javelin? Oh, nice. But I also read about you that you are also a basketball player. You were
Also, yeah, I was in the team for basketball, school team, but yeah.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. And javelin में फिर आप district level कहाँ तक गए हो? Like,
Here only, Uttarakhand.
great. That means it gives you an exposure. Like, it gives you a 360
Like
degree.
if you told me in Bombay, where would I play how would I know what a javelin, how to go and practice it, you know? इतना कुछ नहीं होता था उस time. See, we are talking 89, I went to boarding school, 1989. It's another century, like it feels like another planet, you know?
Great. अच्छा पूजा, सब आपको फ्रॉम माय व्यू सब आपको कंटेंट स्ट्रेटजिस्ट, ऑथर, होस्ट, राइटर के रूप में जानते हैं, लाइक लेकिन वन थिंग आई हैव डिस्कवर्ड अबाउट यू एंड यू हैव टू करेक्ट मी इफ दिस इज रॉन्ग, आप एक सर्टिफाइड जिमोलॉजिस्ट भी हो.
Oh my God, you went that deep.
दिस इज अमेजिंग. ये एंगल कहाँ से आया? मतलब स्टोन, जेम्स, ज्वेल्स, वर्ड्स के साथ साथ या पैशन?
We had a family business of silver, sterling silver, and my dadi had kind of started the store, and it was a family business. My mom was involved in everything, and I was genuinely passionate about jewelry, maybe Maru house or whatever. And silver में हम मीनाकारी, stones, gems डालते थे. So जब मैं सिडनी में थी, उसी time side by side with Sydenham, I also joined SNDT in Juhu to learn gemology. And it was a full 3-year course. So I was doing it side by side and I actually was enjoying it. I learned how to manufacture. I learned how to read gems. I learned how to, scrutinize ki manik, panna, हीरा कैसे आप देखते हो, then how to make metal. It was a process for me. Like I just enjoyed it, and I used to use it in the silver when we were designing frames and things. I used to just put in and I took it to be like a family business. But जब मेरी शादी देहरादून में हुई, again 2002 में शादी हुई थी, देहरादून उस टाइम एक गांव था, कुछ भी नहीं था यहाँ पे, and I was like कौन खरीदेगा, who's going to buy all this here? It's a small retired place. There's no scope for my work. Then I started events and all, but I'm just saying that if I look back at my life to now, where we start and where we end up are like two sides of the pole, like two sides of the solar system. I really wanted to do jewelry and gems. I really wanted to be an air hostess for some time. I wanted to do hotel management. I mean, जो मुझे करना था life में versus what I'm doing. But the fact is that, again, it's because I just take whatever comes. I take it, I go with the flow. I don't stress.
तो वो आपने सीखा but आपने pursue नहीं करा उसको आगे because you were in Dehradun and you believe के
Because I was here, यहाँ पे कोई scope ही नहीं था उस time. But yeah, I always say कि education doesn't go for a waste. So do I know that? Yes. कभी-कभी खुद का ही आप इधर-उधर check कर लेते हो just for the, because you enjoy it. I understand it. But ठीक है, it wasn't meant to be. That wasn't my way. So it's fine.
And gems के बारे में from your that knowledge, एक चीज आप बताओ जो usually लोग नहीं जानते. What's that one thing you believe about gems?
There are a lot of things, but if I was to just say one thing, I would say moissanite. Moissanite is lab-created diamond, which looks exactly like real diamond. And a lot of jewelers, a lot of people, they all use it with the real diamond. People who go to buy jewelry don't know that. I know it because I have studied it. You cannot tell me with a naked eye, ये real है या ये moissanite है, because
it's a lab-grown diamond.
It's lab-grown by Charles and Colvard that time. Charles and Colvard was the only company that made lab-created diamonds. अभी तो बहुत हैं. But this is not an American diamond. It's not fake. It is a diamond that is created in a lab, not in a mine. It has the same shine. It has the same caratage. It has the same colors. It has the same depth. You cannot make out with a naked eye. Even as a gemologist, I cannot look through it and tell you that this is real or not. It can only be certified in a laboratory, and not many people know that. So when they go to buy jewelry, I always say lab test खरीद के लाओ, otherwise you don't know. आप एक सोचो, आप एक चूड़ी पहन रहे हो, उसमें 50 हीरे हैं. 50 हीरे में से अगर मैंने उसमें 30 मोसनाइट डाल दिए, आपको कैसे पता? I'm charging you for diamond, but I'm putting 20 diamonds and 30 moissanite. आपको लैब टेस्ट चाहिए, जहाँ पे मैंने डायमंड डाला है मैं उसका लैब टेस्ट करा के आपको दे दूंगी.
And moissanite is cheaper than real diamond.
It's not cheap. I mean, it's not cheap, but it's cheaper than diamond. Yes.
Wow.
But it's not cheap. Moissanite is definitely not cheap. It comes in lakhs.
Or you real like jewelry industry में people do that. They mix moissanite and real diamonds.
I am told they do. I mean, there is no way to certify, but yes, I am told they do. It's what we learn in class. It's what we are told. So I would not be the right person to say yes, people do it or they don't. But I am told that this is a practice that is probably happening in the trade.
Wow, this is interesting. And
but then again, not many people know it. See,
because
something to think about, Shelly. When we were growing up, कितने ज्वेलरी दुकान थे. एंड आज जब मैं देहरादून में देखती हूँ, जैसे पान की दुकान हर कोने में होते ना, वैसे ज्वेलरी का दुकान है. हाउ?
बिल्कुल, दैट्स सो ट्रू. मतलब अभी मैं आई एम 1980 बॉर्न एंड मैं मेरठ से हूँ, और मेरठ में एक सराफ करके जगह है विच इज़ द हब ऑफ दीज ज्वेलरीज. मतलब हम बनती भी हैं ज्वेलरीज कि मतलब जब जहाँ सोना बनता है तो नालियों में जो कभी कभी सोने का चूरा भी बहता है, राइट? इट्स दैट मार्केट, वेरी छोटा छोटा मार्केट है. और अब वहाँ की शॉप्स ने इतने बड़े बड़े शोरूम खोल लिए मेरठ में कि आप बस मेरठ में 5 मिनट के लिए निकलो एंड यू विल सी ज्वेलरी शॉप्स एवरीवेयर. इट्स देयर. Great. This is interesting. And do you connect with
Again,
Gen-
I say, it's just something to think about. Like, you know, how is there suddenly so much of jewelry? Where's the money coming from? Logically speaking, there's always a logic behind it, right? So.
And do you also connect with gems? Any personal collection that you have and you wear every single day that you believe that this is something very beneficial for me? Like,
No, I don't. I'm not a stone person. I don't follow. Like I said, होना चाहिए, करना चाहिए. Unless I have a scientific reason to do something, I won't do it. I believe in astrology and all. I mean, I know people. There is Vastu. There is astrology. To a certain level, yes. Am I obsessed with it? No. If you tell me wear this, will I wear it? Probably not. If I like it, I'll wear it. I'm wearing an emerald thing on my hand. It's just a little bead thing. But not because someone's told me. It's because I genuinely love emeralds. That's my favorite stone, an emerald. So.
great. Okay, now I'll move from to your motherhood journey. And so I was going through your podcast, other podcast, and produced by पे आपने एक helicopter parenting की बात की थी, logistics of being a mom, and I want to go deeper in that कि माँ बनने के बाद आपकी writing कैसे बदली, like content में क्या shift आया जो आपने खुद भी बाद में समझा? What was that?
I will give you an answer with a little visual, which is this.
Yes, I've seen that.
This is the shift that has happened after motherhood, where my children now look at me like हम जो भी आपको बोलते हैं आप document करते हो और आप फिर किताब लिख दोगे उसके बारे में. But the fact is that I've always written content. I've written for Fortune 500s. I've written op-eds, TED Talks, speeches. I write for politicians. I write for senators. I'm writing for different parts of the government. That all started, say, midway into motherhood. I was a pretty much stay-at-home mom. I used to do a show called Lifestyles. Lifestyles देहरादून में सबसे पहला वो event था जहाँ पे I used to promote women working from home from different parts of the world. जैसे आज हम exhibitions करते हैं, उस time exhibitions यहाँ पे नहीं होती थी. I was the first one to get it to Dehradun and it stayed. I did it for 17-18 years till I started writing professionally, and then I diverted to writing and then made an agency and business out of it, because writing inherently has been something I have done all my life. Like literally, I've always written.
And that's what you love. You love it.
I just love it.
So it's like meditative for you, writing.
It's soulful for me. It makes me happy. If you tell me put you on an island and there's nothing except for a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection, will I survive? Yes, I will, because it will give me time to. I need a charger, yes, but I will need. I mean, the writing is something that I love. I just love it.
Do you really write, or there are days when you don't feel like writing?
I write every single day. I may or may not publish it, but I write every single day.
And it's like, because एक होता ना कि writer's block भी होती है, चीज की inspiration नहीं आ रही लिखने की. Does it happen with you too?
Yeah, I mean, it happens. कभी-कभी बिल्कुल ही blank हो जाता है. But now with content, I am so used to it that in my everyday life, I just see a story everywhere. I could write a story about you and I sitting right here.
Wow.
Like, I just look at people, like, you know, and it's a joke that my friends have with me that, you know, every time we meet you, there's just this look in your face that we never know who may be the next character in your next novel. And I was like, stop it. And, you know, now people, like my clients also on LinkedIn tell me that, are you going to write about this? I said, you never know, because I just take inspiration from everything.
I believe I'll come on to that with the AI coming into the picture and how it's going to evolve writing as well. But before that, I want to talk about your motherhood space and so एक line या एक blog या एक sentence जो आपने सिर्फ इसलिए लिखा कि आप माँ हो. Can you share that? Or is that book you connect with it?
Yeah, the book, yes, for sure. But it would be I think what motherhood, the one lesson that I would probably tell my children as a mom in terms of writing would be, whatever you be in life, be grounded and be kind. That is something that I really believe, that you can choose to be anything. You can choose to be a hairdresser, you can choose to be an engineer, you can choose to be a lawyer, you can choose to be whatever you want to be. But at the end of the day, you need to be someone that is very grounded and is very, very kind, no matter where life takes you. Because see, when things are going good, Shelly, everybody's nice, everybody's calm, everybody's peaceful. But when things go south is where, in fact, I was watching this series called Rookie with my daughter the other day, and this is where it kind of came back to me, because it's something I told my kids a long time ago, that when things are bad and when things are not working the way you want, the worst part of your personality comes up. It's human. But how much fire you want to fuel that with is on you. Like जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि what happens to you is 10%, how you react is 90%. It does hold true. It really, really holds true. Because I believe, like my first book was called Pursuit, Drawn by Destiny, and उसमें लिखा हुआ है that I believe that there is some sort of path that is chalked out for us, right? Some part. If I was to give it in percentage, I would say 20-25%. जो कि हम डेस्टिनी बोलते हैं कि हमारी डेस्टिनी है. आज हमारी डेस्टिनी है, मुझे एक पॉडकास्ट करना है, वो शैली के साथ हो या किसी और के साथ हो मुझे नहीं पता, बट डेस्टिनी में था कि पॉडकास्ट करना है. Would that happen with Shelly, or would that happen with Vivek, or would that happen with XYZ? Nobody knew. The reason it happened the way it did is because of the choices that two people made to make it happen. And that is what I feel a lot of people kind of overlook when they talk about ये तो हमारी किस्मत है, ये तो हमारा डेस्टिनी है. बिकॉज ऐसे मैं भी बोल सकती थी ये तो मेरी डेस्टिनी है, छोटे शहर में शादी हुई है, बॉम्बे की लड़की हूँ, माई लाइफ इज ओवर. But I chose to build something from nothing. And today I've employed 11 times. Somebody told me this even 5 years ago. I will have a company and I will have 11 people working for me. And I'm going to write for some of the biggest names that you read about in the world. I would seriously think them to be in need of a mental asylum. Worked out. That's what I'm saying. I never imagined that this is where writing will take me. But I just wrote. So that's what I try to say, that destiny is there to say she's going to write. Those are the choices that I make to lead me to who I'm going to write for. That is where our human kind of thing comes in.
No, definitely. In fact, you कहते हैं ना कि there are multiple probabilities of an event to happen. Now, किस frequency पे दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं, वो frequency match होती तो वो event हो जाता है. Because it's all about energy and frequencies. हम बोलते हैं कि our fate is like that, it will happen. Now, because you're sitting on that frequency, that's why it will happen. अगर आप उसको चेंज करना चाहते हो तो माइंडसेट चेंज करना पड़ेगा, थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज करना पड़ेगा ताकि आप उस फ्रीक्वेंसी को मैच करो. लाइक कि मुझको राइटिंग में जाना है, मेरे को अपनी कंपनी खड़ी करनी है, मुझे लोगों को एम्प्लॉय करना है, मुझे टॉप लीडरशिप्स के लिए लिखना है, कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड गवर्नमेंट्स के लिए लिखना है. दैट वाज योर फ्रीक्वेंसी टू डू इट, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू मेक इट हैपन. So great, I believe this is very interesting. And if you have to give a message to somebody who is 28-year-old and trying to build up something of her own, what would be that one advice you would give? कि भाई ठीक है, you should do that. Simple plain language, एक corporate life में है या किसी government job में है, कुछ अपना खुद का करना चाहता है, उसे आप क्या piece of advice दोगे कि ठीक है ये करना शुरू करो, वहाँ तक पहुँच जाओगे?
No, सबसे पहले I would say is build on the side. Because you can't, the glamour part of a remote life, this creator life, this influencer life that children want today, it's not easy. It's not an easy life at all. There's a lot of effort and a lot of work that goes into it. But जो corporate में है and they're getting burnt out, my advice to them is first build on the side, save a little bit on the side so that you can take a 6-month break from corporate while you build. Because see, you have to be practical. You need, again, I know people that are hearing this may or may not agree, but I'm going to say this in just exactly so many words, that jo bhi bolta hai that you don't need money and you don't need this blah blah, I think it's all bullshit. At the cost of sounding crass here, but you need it. It's much easier to sit on a beach having a margarita and working on your laptop instead of slogging day and night figuring out what next, right? You can say that everybody needs money to live. You can be happy with different kind of amounts. That part I can agree. But to live a life, you ask someone that is struggling 9 to 5 to just make bills, kind of to just be able to make their ends meet, versus somebody who's working 9 to 3 and is living, the la-di-da life. There is a big difference, and everybody wants that, and everybody can have that. In today's world, I always say you can literally have the life you want. If you told me this 5 years ago, I would be sitting in my own house with my legs up on the chair, sitting and doing what I love doing. I wouldn't, and earning out of it, I would not think too much of it. I would be like, how? But it can happen, because you literally today, to succeed in life, you need an internet, you need a laptop or a phone, and you definitely need good content. It is who you are. Just put that. When I'm talking about building a personal brand, what am I saying? Put yourself out there. I don't want to know about Pooja's content journey. I can read about that online. Today, the questions that you've brought up are questions that probably people have never heard before. Gymology. I have never spoken about gymology in any podcast of mine till date. This is the first one. And I give it to you. It's all thanks to you to deep dive, to read about it, to bring it out, No. So it's very important to do that. And so my advice to kids today is that don't burn out. Be practical. Keep your savings somewhere. Always save 30%. That's the standard rule I have for my children. That whatever you do, whatever you earn, doesn't matter the amount, save 30%, because that 30% will compound like you can never imagine. So that little bit of savings will give you the edge to start and build on the side. Go on weekends. Do what you have to do. But effort लगता है, Shelly. How many people are ready to put in that effort? That's the question.
बस हर एक को वीकेंड पे आराम चाहिए. कौन वीकेंड को स्ट्रगल करना चाहेगा?
हमें सोना है. Okay, so versus I am going to do what it takes to build this thing. I will spend 10 weekends to do it. Okay, so it's all again mindset. It's what you want. If you really want it, you'll work for it. That's the way I look at it.
No, I can totally relate to it. Until I started Kelly Thoughts, मैं हर वीकेंड सोचती थी, जब तक मेरी कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ चल रही थी, कि ठीक है मुझे करना है, बट वीकेंड आते ही वो घर के काम, थोड़ा सा आराम, तो उसमें टाइम चला जाता था कि ठीक है बाद में करेंगे. जब तक वो हार्ड कॉल नहीं ली ना खुद से कि नहीं ठीक है शैली, दैट इज इट, नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू स्टेप अप एंड डू समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन. जब तक वो कॉल नहीं ली गई, तब तक आई वाज कीपिंग माय थिंग टू डू असाइड कि नहीं ठीक है बाद में कर लेंगे. तो वो एक टफ कॉल लेनी बहुत जरूरी होती है.
So when people turn around and say you don't need money, that's the worst advice you can give. Yes, okay, happiness and everything is very, very important, but if you don't have money, how will you get your happiness? How will you eat?
True.
I mean, you have to keep. That is where practicality comes in. Not many people will talk about it, but I say, why not? Don't you need money to go buy that bread or eggs or whatever it is that you want to eat? Don't you need money to go for your coffee? Don't you need money to go watch a movie? At the end of the day, you need it. So how do you say that I can live on love and sunshine? You can't.
Oh, you can't.
Yeah.
अच्छा, now I want to move on to something very crucial. So जब आपका first ever writing gig था, if you can share openly, what was the price you charged at that point of time?
मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था कि I had to charge. My friend, I was outsourced from a PR company to write for Caterpillar India, and she was like, okay, fine. And after I wrote it, it got approved. And I got 5,000 rupees for a 1,000-word article. And I was like, 5,000 rupees? And this was about maybe 15 years ago. And I was like, you're paying me so much money for an article? And that was my first thing into writing. And now with, 7 figures coming in, it's like, I know how much ever AI comes in, AI doesn't know my story.
That.
Till I don't prompt AI, it cannot tell me what to write for me. So, and even to run AI, you need a human. So let's just get some facts right. That yes, AI is helping me. I use AI in productivity. I use AI for automation, but I do not use AI to write, because AI can never write for me. It cannot write in my voice. It can be similar, but it can't be mine.
एक वो human empathy missing होती है उसमें. It will not be Pooja Marva. It will not be Shelly.
The words you use, the things you say, those things are different. Yeah.
And जब आपने फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि ठीक है इसके लिए तो चार्ज पैसे मिलते हैं, लाइक यू रियलाइज कि अच्छा 4,000 मतलब कैरेक्टर्स के लिए दे वर्ड्स के लिए दे पेड मी 5,000. तो जब आपने फर्स्ट टाइम इसको थोड़ा सीरियसली लेना शुरू करा एंड यू स्टार्टेड आस्किंग अबाउट द प्राइसिंग पार्ट, वाज इट स्कैरी फॉर यू कि विल दिस बी एक्सेप्टेबल और नॉट, और हाउ इट वाज?
So as women know, we always undersell ourselves. And this is something I've learned in the last 2 years of building my agency. Compared to what I charged my first client to what I charge now, I hear it a lot that, oh, you charge so much. And another thing I hear is that you're an Indian, how do you charge? Why do you charge so much? And I said, how does my nationality decide what I'm supposed to charge? So when we work with people abroad, this is a line I hear often. You're an Indian, how do you charge so much? And I don't like it. And I refute back to say that, okay, you have a Tumi, you have a Birkins, and you have a Coach. No one's telling you to come into the store to buy those bags. You will walk into, or you will register for a Tumi or a Birkin because you want it and you afford it. You will go for a Coach because that is what you afford. Or you will go to the local, whatever, Tipti market or whatever market it is, to pick up a rip-off, depending on what your budget is. But you're not going to walk into a Birkins or a Tumi or a Coach store and then argue about the price, right? Or say that you're in a South Asian country, how are you pricing your product so much? So you will talk to somebody who can afford what you are. And I realized that, Shelly, when I did my first 5 clients at one price, and I realized that this is a lesson I would give to all the women hearing this. When you can easily close a deal at, say, 5,000 rupees, you know it's time to hike it to 10 or 7.5. The question that comes into our mind is, am I worth it? Will they pay me? Right? You feel कि अगर मैं 10 करूँगी, maybe उनको लगेगा कि नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा है, वो देंगे नहीं, मेरा 5 भी चला जाएगा. Again, psychology of selling, mindset shift. Either you can be stuck in that little well of 5,000 ke 5, 7, 10 clients, or you can go to the 10,000 client and take 2 and get your time back. What do you want? Right? If you don't it's a mindset shift. It's all in the mind. I want money. I want it now. I'm willing to sacrifice everything. Okay, take the 5,000 rupee client. Now the second mindset is, I want to build something. I need time to build it. I need a high ticket client. I will go for 2 of the 10,000 and I will spend the rest of the time finding 3 at 15. That is how you scale. That is how you build, right? If I'm stuck with my 5,000 rupee client, I may have 10, but I will not be able to go beyond that budget because I will have time to go to 15. When 15 becomes 20 and 20 becomes 25, that is how you grow. But again, if you ask me what is it that most women kind of lack, it is the mindset that we always end up, it's a normal thing, we undervalue, undersell ourselves ki mujhe kaun dega. I also had it. I never in my life thought I would get $5,000 that time. I was like, 5,000 rupees, how? And my money to write something. This was like, for me, it was like, oh my God, I love it. Like, it's a sense of feeling. So when today people say that, oh, we can't afford you, reduce your price, I'd say, okay, fine, go somewhere else. No problem. But you have to know your worth, and you should not have that fear कि कल कोई नहीं आया तो ना आए. But you have to leave that space open. आज हम बोलते हैं ना कि हम दिवाली में क्यों दरवाजा खिड़की सब कुछ क्यों खुला छोड़ते हैं दिया जला के, कि मान्यता होता है ना कि लक्ष्मी जी आएंगी. We removing the clutter, we removing everything to attract something. Why can't we do the same to our life? We want to attract the good client, but we are stuck with the clutter of the rose ka chick chick client. Why? So only if I get over that will I be able to attract. So a big lesson out of this is attract, don't chase. Attract the right opportunity to you. Become so big that the world cannot ignore you in the space that you are. That is something that you should do. Instead of you running around, you yourself build your own brand and become that person that they automatically will come to you, and it works. I am living proof that this thing works because I've done it for myself first and now I'm doing it for people.
No, this is very right, Pooja. And एक चीज जो मैंने अपनी माँ से सीखी है, because my mother it's a BA economics in 1980s.
Okay.
And वो job करना चाहते थे banking में. They were like straight entry of BA economics and that to first division. But वो नहीं कर पाई due to some circumstances. And she always wanted me to be financially independent before I get married. And वो उनका मोटो था कि ये करना है. तो उन्होंने मुझे लाइफ में ऐसे रेस किया है कि उन्होंने कभी भी ये सिखाया ही नहीं कि अंडरसेल करना है खुद को. उन्होंने बोला तुम बेस्ट हो, हर जगह बेस्ट हो.
Yeah.
वो चीज़ ना दिमाग में अटकी हुई है. तो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड दिस कंसल्टिंग थिंग, तो मेरे पास कंसल्टिंग के लिए रिक्वेस्ट आती थी 1-1.5 साल पहले. देन मेरा जो पहला प्राइस था, मैंने वही उनको बोला था कि दिस इज द प्राइस, एंड दे वर लाइक व्हाई यू आर, एंड दिस वाज अ यूके क्लाइंट. They were like, why you are charging this? मैं कहा, this is because that's the worth I'm carrying. I come from GE, Baker and Ellicott, Fortune 500 companies हैं. यहाँ पे मैंने leadership roles किए, and that's what, and I got paid easy. वही मैं अगर उसको रेट कम कर देती, अपने आप को अंडरसेल करती, तो वही क्लाइंट मुझे वो अमाउंट नहीं देता कभी भी at that point of time. तो आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है कि डू नॉट अंडर वैल्यू योर सेल्फ. वो अपने आप का जो सेल्फ डाउट है ना, उसे खत्म करो सबसे पहले. वो बहुत जरूरी है खत्म करना. That's so right. And now you work with Fortune 500 companies, and you work with many governments as well. So do they haggle you for the payments, or is it like good with them? Never.
See, this is the thing, na, Shelly. When you attract the right people, na, they will ask you for your offer doc. You send them the offer doc. They will review it. They will get back to you. The only discussion we have are on content, is on deliverables. Now with the kind of clients that we work, they're not interested in price, because pricing is already sorted. All my pricing is available online. Nothing's hidden. Only if you afford it do you come and book a call. When you book a call, we are talking about what is our strategy going to be for the next. I mean, we are having intellectually driven conversations as to what are we going to do. What is the roadmap? What does it look like? What do the next 6 months or the next 1 year look like for me? How do I go from zero to, say, hero? Give me that. Those are the kind of conversations I want to spend my time and energy on. I do not want to spend effort, energy on 10 की जगह 9 कर दो, 9 की जगह 8.5 कर दो. मेरे पास time नहीं है. Save your time and my time. It's in the mind. A lot of people will say, I can't do it. Okay. Either you can be stuck with I can't, or you just go ahead and say, I am this person. If you'd like to work with me, these are my prices. I'm happy to get on a call to tell you why I'm going to charge what I do. There is a word. See, and there'll always be someone charging higher. There will always be someone charging lower. In India, there's a lot of people that work in the same space as me, who charge half of what I do, not even half, 1/4 of what I do. And I've been told that by my clients, but so-and-so is charging so much. My only answer is go for it then. They have their reasons to charge what they are. I am not that person. If you want to work with me, these are my prices. If you're talking about price, I'm not going to continue further. There's no point. But I've come to realize that these are hard conversations, Shelly, we have to have. Otherwise, we will just keep going round and round the bush. There's no point. No point at all.
And if कहीं पे जैसे आप quote back करते हो and they believe it is high, and then they like because कुछ लोग क्या, because I have been into the procurement, so कुछ लोगों का दिमाग इस तरीके से चलता है कि वो इतना ज़्यादा हो गया, बात ही बंद कर देते हैं. Do you ask for their counter? Do you ask for their budget to see if something can be manageable, or you just don't ask?
Not now. I used to. Should we kind of custom curate it? Should we do this? But वही बात है ना, it's about realizing your worth and your time. So now I don't. I was featured in Forbes London in Jan of this year. I've spoken at the Tatas in Feb of this year. Things are falling in place. I never asked for those opportunities. I've never paid for an award or a talk. They come to me. So if I'm being able to attract those opportunities, I will attract the right clients to me as well. I am not in dearth of any work. Now, yes, when I started, it was a struggle, but even then I started with a benchmark. आज जब हम खेलते हैं या हम ट्रेन करते हैं, if we have to take 100 rounds, do we stop at 90? Because वो छोड़ो ना, 90 में भी तो उतना ही ठीक ही है. ठीक नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर आपको नंबर 1 बनना है, आपको वो 100 तो करना ही पड़ेगा. तो जब हमने एफर्ट डाला है, we've built ourselves to that level, we've upskilled, we've done everything, then why come down on price? There's no reason to.
No, it is so true. I believe one should understand their own value and then accordingly make sure that they attract the right set of clients for them, so that you would stick to it accordingly.
Yeah.
Moving on to the governor angle, and I want to understand from you, governor की communication shape करना, and कभी डर लगा कि कहीं एक लाइन गलत हो जाए या फिर एक गलत पोस्ट या पब्लिक नैरेटिव बदल सकता है? Does it ever come to your mind when you're doing governors communication?
No, because I'm good with research, and I've written so much, Shelly. I've written so much for people of different statures that inherently I'm just cautious, and I always run it through people that are involved and working with me just to ensure that we don't. But see, it's human. We are human. We will make a mistake. Kabhi instead of Lieutenant General, I say General. Kabhi kuch. I mean, small errors. You never know. But we learn on the go. No, it's okay. I mean, as long as you don't. I always recheck. See, that is where we have to be very particular about what we say and do. Right? Everything has a footprint. So I am pretty careful on that. Was it tough? Not really, because again, writing just kind of fell into place for me.
So true. And because you work with these segment of people and they're male senior, like IS background world में एक woman content advisor, right?
Yeah.
Does it happen that you have to really prove yourself to make them understand or take you seriously? Does it ever happen?
No. I think somewhere that's because my age plays a factor. My co-founder is in her mid-30s. She faces it. And sometimes she tells me that, hey, this client, you handle it. You get on the call. I'm not doing it. Just because of the seniority. And I'm much older. I'm 47, almost 48 now. So I feel somewhere people just take me more seriously. Maybe it's the age. Maybe it's just, you're talking to somebody who's 55, who's 60. It's just that you just automatically get taken. It's a mind again. It's the way men think, so it's okay.
And governance or Fortune 500 में दोनों में authority कैसे build होती है? कोई difference है या it's like same? Absolutely.
Authority in the sense you have to see who are you writing for? Who is that person? फिर उनका कैसे आप shape up करोगे narrative? That is on you. That is what good writing is, no? I mean, that is what shaping up narratives are.
Okay, now I'll move on to something very, some hidden chapters. I researched more on you. And एक बात जो मुझे रिसर्च करते हुए पता चली that आपका एक children's newspaper start किया था आपने, The Soaring Eaglet.
Yes.
Positive news for kids. ये क्या था? कहाँ गया? क्यों
So we
launch?
started it just before Corona. Then Corona happened and we needed investment. We couldn't get investment because Corona happened. And I was working with my sister-in-law. It was for positive news because children were not reading. Which is why I started the newspaper called The Soaring Eaglet to help children read. And it had world news, but the fun aspects of world news. Not just crime. क्योंकि आज की newspaper में खोलो खाली crime है. But at that point, there was so much more. So that is something that we had started, but we ran it for about a year and then stopped. I've done a lot, actually. I've dabbled in a lot of different things till I found my place, which is the importance of experimenting, Shelly. हम बोलते हैं ना कि try तो करो. अब वो भी writing था, ये भी writing है. What is to shape me? How? I don't know. But I love that Soaring Eaglet. It was such a lovely, colorful magazine. I just really, really loved it. So
आप मुझे photograph भेजना. I will want that. And when you, I also understand that आपने Times of India के लिए politics with a twist column लिखा था, like political.
Yeah.
आपकी content strategy वाला persona से बिल्कुल अलग है, like दोनों एक साथ कैसे चलते हैं?
Content strategy for me started just 2 years ago. इसके पहले I was writing. I have 2 columns. I had one called Politics with a Twist. I had one called Random Conversations with Pooja. Politics with a Twist was मैं कोई भी एक topic लेती थी and उसको अपना twist देके अपने mindset से लिखती थी without skewing up the facts. Random Conversations with Pooja was about relationships because I feel that the world is only relationships. Like today, we say the world is content. The world is relationships also. It's human to human, right? What are we building brands for? To tell each other about us. What are we doing in that? We're building a relationship. So it's relationships, it's content, it's humanity that is kind of coming closer. So as much as you say that AI, social media is distancing the world and blah blah, I don't think so. It's just how you look at it.
And आपकी लाइफ में एक देहरादून का चैप्टर भी है, like which is शादी के बाद एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री का कॉर्पोरेट वर्क, like Fortune 500 से पहले का फेस. वो पूजा कैसी थी और आज की पूजा को देखकर कभी आपको लगता है that you miss that पुरानी पूजा?
That's such a deep question. Do I miss the Purani Puja? No, Shelly, I don't. I love the person that I am becoming. And I'll tell you why. It's because I never wanted anyone to write my story. It's my story. It's mine to share. It's mine to write. And all my life, it was I was someone's daughter, I was someone's sister, I was someone's friend, I was someone's grandchild, I was someone's mother, someone's wife, someone's daughter-in-law, someone's mother. And somewhere in all of that, I wasn't me. Um, so I used to read a lot, and because I read a lot, I used to write a lot, and I used to put it down in my diary. If ever someday my diary ever gets out, I don't know, God save me on that day, because there's a lot written there that should not be there. But okay, but those are the moments that kind of pushed me silently to work, and a big, huge chunk of that is that I was never financially independent. I was never financially independent. I earned my first $5,000 15 years ago or 10 years ago, and that's when, even then, it was little. I wasn't even taking it seriously. I used to do a lot of things, but whatever used to come, I used to spend it, idhar-udhar happily. But I never really thought of building. I used to save my 30%. But that financial independence for me started recently when I founded Authik and I started working. And I have single-handedly helped 1,200 plus women and young adults in India start their online journeys through content. And there is a story that I will share today. There was once someone who reached out on Instagram, and he's saying, I can't afford you, but I would like to get on a call with you. And I said, that's fine, please come. So he booked a call and he got on a Zoom call with me, and I had tears in my eyes, Shelly. He was calling me from a Jhoparpatti. He said he is from Bihar. His mother was in a torn sari. She was standing behind him. I could see it. He was on his mobile phone. He couldn't talk in English. He spoke in Hindi. And he said, मैंने आपका, जबकि मेरा Instagram का content ज़्यादातर English में है. And he says, मैं आपका content देखता हूँ. There's something very real about your videos. It's not fake. It's not put on. It's not artificial. It's just you're teaching and talking. You're just who you are. I also want to do that. I want to improve the quality of my life and my parents. मुझे content सिखा दो. तो I said, ठीक है. He said, लेकिन मुझे English नहीं आती. I said, कोई बात नहीं, हिंदी में करो. हिंदी में content बनाओ, हिंदी में लिखो. I started working with him just once in maybe 2 weeks. He used to come on a call, tell me. And today he's got his own client. किसी के लिए वो काम करता है, किसी के लिए वो हिंदी में लिखता है. And he's like, I've never asked him how much you earn. It could be different figures for different people, but the money is not important. The fact is that he wanted to make that change. That is the kind of impact I am looking to strive doing what I want. See, we will do what we have to do. We will keep walking, but I know the importance of having your own money, and I never want anyone to go without that, especially in this country, especially for our women and girls. I never want it. Like, it's something I tell my daughters also. Do what you want in life. I will not question you, but you will need to stand on your feet and be financially independent before you open your heart out to love, marriage, whatever. I just don't. It sounds very Hitlerish. It sounds very, very strong, but financial independence is very important for every girl, especially in India, especially in India. And हम बोलते हैं गवर्नमेंट कर रहा है ये वो, हाँ करता है, बट ग्रास रूट लेवल पे कुछ
नहीं वो इसमें कोई हिटलर वाली बात नहीं है. आई बिलीव आपने बहुत ही मैं इसको संस्कार बोलूँगी, बहुत ही अच्छा संस्कार दिया अपनी बेटियों को कि पैरों पे खड़ा होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बात पैसे की नहीं होती है, बात अपने आप को किस नज़रिए से आप देखते हो और किस नज़रिए से आप खाली नहीं, दुनिया आपको देखते बहुत बदल जाता है.
बहुत. I see the shift in my own life, in my own family. I see the shift. It's not that the family didn't have it and all. I was married into a nice place. Everything was there, but I see the turn of the way people look at you and the way people talk. हाँ बोलते हैं arrogant है ये, ठीक है, fine. Those are names, those are labels. Doesn't bother me, but those things are important. So yeah.
नहीं, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड आपने बहुत ही अच्छी टीचिंग दी है अपनी बेटियों को. एंड आई एम ग्लैड यू आर रेजिंग योर डॉटर्स लाइक दैट, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग व्हाट आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम माई माँ. एंड आप भी वो चीज़ें सिखा रहे हो, तो इट्स नथिंग लाइक इट. एंड अच्छा, अनदर नोट, आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू योर वेबसाइट एंड थोड़ा सा ध्यान से पढ़ने के बाद एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत टच किया. आपका फेवरेट कोट शेक्सपियर का नहीं है, आपका खुद का है, आपकी अपनी किताब से. मैं चाहती हूँ आप वो कोट कैमरे के सामने बोलो, स्लो, मतलब जैसे पहली बार आप कह रहे हो, लाइक दैट.
Which quote are you talking about? मैं तो शेक्सपियर का बोलती हूँ.
शेक्सपियर का द कोट इज लिसन व्हेन आई एम डिस्टेंस.
Oh, okay. I know this quote. This is one that I had written, yeah. And I won't share right now why I wrote it, but yeah. So it says, listen when I'm distant, for I won't say a word. know where to find me, for I won't be in a herd. We all will be a story in somebody's head, but wouldn't you rather be the whole book? Quietly, she said.
Amazing. ये line आपने कब लिखी थी और किस moment पे?
I'm not going to share the moment, but it was just very, very special. I felt something really, really strongly at the time for someone. So I had written it. Of course, it's to do with love. So, but it's just a line that stayed very close to my heart and even does today.
बहुत ही touching lines हैं. जब मैंने पढ़ी थी तो I really wanted to hear from you when we talk. And a chapter in somebody's head versus whole book. ये metaphor, as you said, आपकी personal life से आया है, not some observations, right?
Yeah. So it's basically, like in life we meet so many people, right? कोई आते हैं, कोई जाते हैं. Like some people stay for life, some, इतने सारे metaphors हैं. Some stay with you for the whole course. So when you find that kind of love in life, you don't want to just be a chapter that's read and gone. You want to be the whole book. And that's where this line kind of came from.
Amazing. बहुत ही एक होता है ना कि हर वर्ड एक दूसरे से इतने ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड है कि जिसको ज़्यादा चीज़ें इतनी मेटाफोरिकली समझ में भी नहीं आती ना, वो भी समझ जाएगा इस कोड को.
Thank you.
That and I'm glad I get to hear from you directly.
Thank you so much.
अच्छा, एक चीज़ जो so when I was building Shelly Thoughts, this podcast sits on like 4 pillars, which is also connected with spirituality, and I want to know from you. ये theme मैं अपने हर guest से पूछती हूँ, leadership और spirituality का रिश्ता. And आपकी लाइफ में कोई डेली रिचुअल है जो आपको ग्राउंडेड रखता है, which you do and which you believe के?
I need to light a diya every day. I have that. I've grown up with idol worship. I pray to Shiv. I just need to light the diya and put water on my shivling. It's just something that I like to start my day with. There's no compulsion. I don't have to do it, but it's just something that makes me happy. And even before that, I wake up to, you're going to laugh when I say this, but I wake up to Chamia Bollywood music like every weekend. I will not say every morning, but yeah, on Saturday and Sunday. And my husband is like, "ऐसे गाने पे कौन उठता है? You need slow Buddha bar music." I said, "नहीं, the Chikni Chameli Chamia type Bollywood music, or Pretty Woman or something like that. I like." And the first thing I do is when I wake up, I stretch up my arms and I say, "Thank you for giving me today to live," because every day is a blessing. And the day we realize that, we will live each and every day with intent, with humor, with love, and with kindness, most importantly.
No, it's so true. आपने शिवा की बात करी है. I am also Shiva Bhakt, and he entered in my life 3-4 years back. अपने आप. My mother is a worshipper, but I was not. मतलब I was worshipping everybody at that point of time. But रतनी 4 साल पहले some events happened in my life, and he just entered. And he entered like कि देख मैं हूँ, अब तो चल इस रास्ते पे. तो वो रास्ते बहुत टेढ़े मेढ़े कर देते हैं, बहुत कठिन राह पे चलाते हैं, बट मुझे लगता है वो राह पे चलाना जरूरी हो जाता है, बिकॉज तभी अकल आती है. तो वो बहुत जरूरी है. एंड जैसे आप पानी अर्पित करते हो, आई ऑल्सो डू इट एवरी मॉर्निंग. दिस इज समथिंग
every morning.
My go-to thing, like before I have my breakfast, I have to give water to Shivling.
Okay.
So what I do. So thank you for bringing that up.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And आपकी जो coming on to that, आपकी जो debut novel है, which is Pursuit, पूरा faith के power पे है. And personally आप I just understand from you, आप बहुत faith रखते हो इन चीज़ों में, destiny पे, universe पे and hard work पे. बट जब जिंदगी में सब कुछ क्रैश होता है, बिजनेस, एक रिजेक्शन या कुछ पर्सनल, आप किसकी तरफ जाते हो? भगवान पे, माँ के बारे में सोचते हो, मेडिटेशन, लाइक व्हाट यू गो टू, व्हाट इज योर गो टू थिंग फॉर दैट?
Right. I just need to sit on my own and I just get it off, or I put a voice note on my thing. But I need to get it out. And the only way that comes is, for me, it's writing. Writing is soulful for me. I need to get it out of me through words.
So you
like I say this, Shelly, words are all I have to take your heart away. And with clients who become friends, they like that line of yours in our first call. I said, because I always say this. I mean, I am that person. I know I can move you with words. I just need to know you enough to know what words to use. That's all.
Wow. So you journal every day?
Yeah, I do. Not in a journal, but so I have a book of quotes. I just like to write whatever comes to me at that point of time. Yeah, it could be 4 lines, could be 6, but I like to write every day. Yeah.
मैंने कुछ टाइम में like there were some phases where I really wanted to vent it out, and I started journaling. and मैं अब इतना often नहीं करती, but journaling really really helps. And like moving on to few more elements which I got to know about you, and आपकी LinkedIn, Instagram सब पे बहुत positivity दिखती है, right? Energizer Bunny, you know, लेकिन सब positive नहीं होता. Like last 2 सालों में कोई ऐसा moment जब सब कुछ you know टूटने लगा था, या फिर रिजेक्शन का सबसे बुरा फॉर्म जो आपके लिए कभी आया? It can be a book, it can be a client, it can be
743 rejections I got before Westland picked this up.
Oh.
743. So when someone says, how do you deal with rejection? For me, it's like this book. I don't let anything phase me anymore in my life, more than the time that it has taken for it to tide over. Nothing. And I've made myself to be that person. Yes, I'm not a strong human every single day of my life. We are human. But I get over things very fast. Because if it's not that important to me, I just let it go and move on. Otherwise, you'll get into 743 rejections. Kya hota hai, Shaili? I mean, anybody can break down. They'll stop writing for the rest of their lives. What did I do with that? I built my entire agency on words. You make yourself unstoppable, so nothing can phase you. ठीक है, fine. Book नहीं print हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. हो जाएगा. जब this was picked up by Westland in 2022. It's come out now in Feb, 4 years later. I changed my whole life around in 4 years. So when you turn around and when someone says, but how? It's like, go and try. At least try is what I always say. कोशिश तो करो, क्यों नहीं होगा? 100% होगा. So yeah.
My goodness. लोग अपने 2 रिजेक्शन में ब्रेकआउट हो जाते हैं, and you sustained for 7 after 743 rejections. Amazing. I believe लोगों को देखना चाहिए जो बोलते हैं कि हम 10 रिजेक्शन में हार गए.
Yeah.
तो वो बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स हैं, उसके बाद सक्सेस है, तो वो देखने का नजरिया बदलना है. एंड
yes.
आपको हेट कमेंट्स मिलते हैं कभी, या फिर ट्रोल्स या फिर पर्सनल अटैक्स जब आते हैं, या तो उसे आप हैंडल कैसे करते हो? लाइक
I just ignore it. Nothing is more important than peace of mind. They're just people ना, like this लोग क्या कहेंगे. एक मैंने रील बनाया था इसके ऊपर कि in India these 3 words have killed more dreams and aspirations than anything else. इधर मत जाओ, लोग क्या कहेंगे. उससे बात मत करो, लोग क्या कहेंगे. ये काम मत करो, लोग क्या कहेंगे. अगर हम and I then turned it around and I said, ठीक है, अगर ये लोग बात नहीं करेंगे तो वो करेंगे क्या? वी हैव टू गिव देम समथिंग टू टॉक अबाउट ना, बिकॉज उनके पास तो और कुछ है ही नहीं करने को, तो उनको करने दो जो करने. व्हाई शुड आई बी बॉदर्ड? सी, वी हैव टू मेक दिस ब्रेन, you have to make yourself so strong that nothing phases. Like today phases me, like nothing will pull me down more than the moment that it's taking to tide over. Yeah, कुछ होता है लाइफ में, of course झटका लगता है. Okay, it takes a little, maybe a day, 2 days, 3 days, but I'll snap out. A bad day is not a bad life, Shaili. We have to remember that. One bad day does not equate to a bad life. Sometimes things happen beyond our control. If I can't control it, I don't even worry. I just don't worry anymore because it's not worth it. It's not worth my peace of mind. It's not worth anything. And what am I doing at the end of the day? I'm giving stress to my own body and health. आज के ज़माने में health, if anybody says in what is most priority to you in your life, I will say health. Health is number 1 because that is the one thing that if you don't have, कुछ भी कर लो दुनिया में, it's never going to work. You need health to even do this what we are doing. So yeah.
And I guess COVID के बाद भी अगर वो लोग नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं, then I believe उन्होंने कभी आत्मचिंतन नहीं करा. Right? Health is wealth खाली एक word नहीं है. It's a thing. It's a living thing. You should imbibe in your life. आप कितना भी कमा लो, करोड़ों कमा लो, but अगर आपके पास हेल्थ ही नहीं है उसको नरिश करने के लिए, चेरिश करने के लिए, then it's nothing like it. It's just all waste.
Yeah.
You're spending time in the hospital and paying your bills at the end of the day.
True.
Okay, now so there are 2 rounds before we wrap up, and there is one round which is something गूगल पे जो लोग पूछते हैं, मैं वो पूछूंगी आपसे. When I was researching about you, तो बहुत लोग ऐसी चीजें क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं जो आपसे बहुत रिलेटेड है. So I will give you these questions. You can take like 30-second time to answer it back, and let's do it. सीधा short answer, like not much. Personal branding, is it just vanity?
No, it's intentful building in the digital space.
And daily post करना जरूरी है LinkedIn पे?
Post what you post according to your schedule. That needs to be consistent. Once a week, once a month, once a day, thrice a day. Do with what works with you and your current routine. Nothing is specific that you need to do so much to win. It just needs to be consistent.
And you believe that AI will replace writing in next 3 years?
No, I don't think so.
But people should learn how to utilize AI to optimize their productivity, isn't it?
People
should learn to utilize AI for their productivity, to enhance their productivity.
You have to know AI. See, it's a skill. आज you can tell a newborn child you don't need to read and write. Arey, but it's a skill. You have to learn it, right? You have to learn to walk. The same way we have to learn AI. AI helps me in automating my tasks. So I have more time to do this. Today I'm able to sit with Shelly, give 2 hours of my time because AI is doing the work that I would have otherwise had to sit and do myself. So because that is happening, I can do this. So it helps to automate tasks. So you need to just integrate it into your own workspace.
LinkedIn 2026 में dead या नहीं?
No way.
No way.
Alive and rocking.
Introverts कैसे build करें authority बिना perform किए?
Use text only posts. But put yourself out there. You don't show your face. Don't show anything. You can put text only posts. That will work. But at least put out something. Content. People read. People definitely read. Or put out audio. If you don't want to get on video, put on audio. Do an audio book. Do an audio series, anything like that.
45 साल की एज में LinkedIn पे start. It's too late for you? Do you think? You are a live example though.
I think the best time to start is when you are ready. It doesn't matter. You can start at 90, you can start at 40, you can start at 20, you can start at 10. You just have to be ready. Again, mindset.
Yes. That's a great motivation for people who are sitting and just thinking, not doing anything. Solo consultant, Fortune 500 client तक कैसे पहुंचे?
A freak of luck. A friend of mine reached out to say, I need help. So in a quest to help her, I did this and I got paid for it. So it was a freaky thing for me. It just fell into my lap.
Okay. So it's also about the luck, but also one can keep trying and use their networks also.
Yeah.
Instagram versus LinkedIn, founders के लिए, what do you think?
LinkedIn any given day. It builds authority instantly.
Oh, so true. And reels matter करते हैं अगर आप B2B business में हो या बिल्कुल matter नहीं करते?
No, videos is doing well on LinkedIn, but I somehow prefer pictures with text. People relate to that more.
Like a carousel format.
A carousel, yeah.
Okay, and the invisible team, your family. I want to know. I would just few minutes on them.
I cannot do without them. I just cannot. I need that support because when I'm sitting here at my desk 10 to 6 to 8, sometimes 10 to 10, everything's taken care of. So you need that. It takes a village for anything to work the way you want it to. So I'm blessed with a good family that gets me.
So is it like one person or the whole family supports you? How is it?
No, everybody. It was initially tough because they weren't used to seeing me work because I never worked. But now that I am, everybody knows. Everybody is aware.
And what was your husband's reaction when you decided to start Autheek? And how was his like a pillar? Is he a pillar in your life?
Yeah, I think he's a boat. He sways. But the fact is that he's with me for the ride. Like he always says, I've got your back. So go ahead and do whatever you have to. Try it. If it's something you want to do, go ahead and do it. And that's why I say I'm lucky like that. Who says it? I never had to worry about investment or this or that because he was like, I'll handle it. At least try. You want to do it, go do it. So.
Amazing. वो इस तरीके का अगर एक atmosphere मिल जाता है ना तो अपने आप चीजें ramp up हो जाती हैं, I believe. So okay, now the last is a reflection round, which is more about you, not about the business, Pooja. It's about so एक छोटी सी thought दूंगी मैं आपको. आप पहले मन में जो भी पहले मन में आया बोलना. No filter, no polish. शुरू करें?
ठीक है.
Okay. अपने आप को एक सेंटेंस में इंट्रोड्यूस करिए एंड 15 साल की पूजा को ध्यान में रखते हुए.
Pooja is a girl who is wildly passionate about living life the way it is meant to be lived and is super impulsive and adventurous.
Wow. Success आज की डेट में आपके लिए क्या है?
Coming home to a pair of arms that just hold me and say, welcome home, baby.
और वो 15 साल की लड़की जो आयोवा की फ्लाइट पे बैठी थी, आज की पूजा पे सबसे प्राउड किस चीज पे होती?
That you haven't changed one bit, and I love you for that. You are as crazy, as mad, as alive as you were at 15. Like life didn't get you down. It's not that life doesn't have challenges, it does. It's not that my life has been a walk in the park, it hasn't. But I just chose to rise above it. That's all.
Wow. आपकी वॉइस को एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब करो.
Alive.
Alive. लिंक्डइन की सबसे ओवररेटेड एडवाइस क्या है?
सारे बोलते हैं कि you have to post every day, but you don't. Most overrated advice. You have to post according to the consistency that works for you.
Great. And career की सबसे underrated habit जो आपने build की है?
People don't put in enough effort. They think that overnight success is virality. It's not. Overnight success is years and years of hard work. Nobody sees that. It looks like overnight success, but it's not.
Exactly. Like you have 0.2 million followers, more than 0.2 million followers. लोगों के इतने कम ज़्यादा होते हैं, तो it's not one day success. It's like
No, it's not. It definitely takes time.
Takes time. And एक हाँ या एक और एक नहीं जो आपने बोला और आज एक ऐसी हाँ जो आपने बोली और आप रिग्रेट करते हो और एक नहीं जो आपने बोला और जिंदगी बदल गई.
Okay, so I have never regretted anything in my life because at the time that I've done it, 99.9% of the times it must have made me smile. So I will not regret it. I don't remember any moment. A no that has gotten me where I am, lots of them. A lot of them. The one no that I remember is putting my foot down at work time. If I need to be at my desk at 10, दुनिया इधर से उधर हो जाएगी, अच्छा लगे ना लगे, कोई रिलेटिव आ रहा है, कोई कुछ हो रहा है, I will not be out. I am sitting at work, even if I'm working from home. Yes, that no was not taken very well, but today it is. So, and it changed my life. I realized the power of saying no.
मुझे पता है बहुत सीखने की जरूरत है. I'm still learning it.
Nothing like that.
It's very difficult, especially to say no to your loved ones. But I believe ये आना जरूरी है. बहुत जरूरी है ये आना. And माँ होना आपको सिखाता है कि तुम्हारा काम असली में है क्या?
As in, motherhood मतलब क्या सिखाता है मुझे?
असली मीनिंग आपके लिए क्या है?
I think the fact that they are their own people. And as parents, we try and hold them too much. But we have to let them live their own life, make their own mistakes, do their own thing, to find themselves. I also found myself because of that. So this is something I think that motherhood has taught me, to learn to let go.
Let go.
Yeah.
एक लड़की जो भी आपको गूगल कर रही है और सोच रही है डीएम करूं कि नहीं करूं, उसको आप क्या बोलोगे?
करो डीएम. Take that chance, take that shot. Fire the arrow, let's see what happens. Shoot that arrow. Till you don't shoot it, what do you know? The answer will always be no.
And an Indian woman leader जिसको आप जो आप चाहते हो कि जो आप पॉडकास्ट पे देखना चाहते हो, like suggest anybody you believe that should come on the podcast.
So she is, her name is Surbhi Sapra, and she's a wildlife photographer, and she's fantastic at what she does. You should definitely have her on.
Great. Surbhi Sapra.
Yeah.
Amazing. And एक please.
Her wildlife channel, I think, is Enoya by Sur. I'll send you her link after. I think you should get her on. She'll be a great asset. She does a podcast too, so yeah.
Great. Thank you for that. And एक quote जिस पे आप जिंदगी जीते हो, like अपनी हो तो अच्छा है. या फिर
I have to live by Shakespeare's quote. I love that quote, but if I was to share at the top of my head a quote that I swear by, it is, every day is a gift, and the day we learn to treat it as the only thing that we have. I always feel that today is all we have. If you live today for today, you'll be a very happy person. I've realized that.
You live in the moment.
Yeah, live in the moment. Yeah.
Amazing, Pooja. I mean, आपसे बात करके मुझे सच में, मैंने बहुत पॉडकास्ट करे हैं, बट कुछ बातें ना बहुत फील सो कनेक्टेड. इतनी देर से बात कर रहे हैं, बट आपसे बात करके मुझे फील ही नहीं हो रहा, like we have spent so many hours.
Yeah.
And,
hours, yeah.
It's amazing, Pooja. मतलब tell me, Pooja से हम कहाँ मिल सकते हैं? Like, you know, it's poojapodarmarwa.com, Instagram @Pooja.
Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, best way to reach me, or email.
और एक चीज जो आप बोलना चाहोगे ऑडियंस को जब ये एपिसोड देखेंगे कि वो आज से स्टार्ट करें इस एपिसोड के बाद?
Stop thinking about what people think and say for you. Be your own human. Have so much faith in yourself that nothing and no one can get you down. If I can do it, so can you.
Amazing, Pooja. मतलब ये conversation has been so close to my heart. So thank you to Mr. Vivek to introduce me to you, and thank you to you for being so gracious and kind enough to don't even think about the time we are spending on this podcast. And you have been so kind, Pooja. Like it is, I really want to say, like through your journey, like Belhem से आए हुआ तक, Gemal Audit से गवर्नर की advisor तक, पार्किंग लॉट से आपने ही बुक की पंक्ति तक, और इस सब के अंदर जो पूजा है, लाइक जो माँ है, वाइफ है, डॉटर है, ऑथर है, अपनी खुद के स्टार्टअप की फाउंडर है, उनसे मिलने के लिए दिल से थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम रियली ग्लैड आई गेट टू स्पीक टू यू. इट्स
Thank you, Shelly, for having me. I'm super delighted to have been here.
great. Take care of you, Pooja. I'll
Thank
connect
you.
offline. Take care. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.